These platforms are important. One, you have more than 5,000 delegates coming in. You have more than 200 exhibitors. Remember, this is a world stage. The world has arrived here. We are part of the world. So all these exhibitors that come here, they are showcasing the sleepless nights, the investment, and all we need to do is to embrace what they've done, is to harness what they've done, is to partner with them so that they're able to see growth and be supercharged in what they do.